Being a busy mom doesn't mean you have to compromise on breastfeeding. Whether you're heading back to work, traveling, or simply managing a packed schedule, pumping on the go can make your life easier. In this video, we're diving into essential tips and must-have tools to help you pump efficiently, safely store your milk, and maintain your supply. No matter where you are, not all pumps are created equal. If you're pumping on the go, a portable, efficient pump is a must. Wearable pumps, hands-free great for multitasking, e.g., LV Willow. Battery-powered pumps, perfect for travel, no need for outlets. Manual pumps, compact and great for emergencies. Invest in a lightweight, rechargeable pump for ultimate convenience. Having the right accessories makes pumping more comfortable and efficient. A quality pumping bra, hands-free pumping for maximum ease. Milk storage bags or bottles, leak-proof and travel-friendly. Cleaning wipes and sanitizing bags, perfect for quick cleaning in public spaces. Insulated cooler bag and ice packs, keeps milk fresh when you're away from home. Keep a mini pump kit in your bag so you're always prepared. You don't need a nursery to pump. Here's how to do it anywhere, stress-free. At work, use a lactation room or a private office with a hands-free pump. In the car, get a car adapter for your pump and use a nursing cover for privacy. While traveling, opt for airport nursing pods or private lounges. Practice pumping in different places before heading out so you feel more confident. Keeping your milk fresh is essential. Here's how to store it safely on the go. Freshly pumped milk, room temperature, 4 hours max. Refrigerated milk, lasts up to 4 days. Store in a cooler if traveling. Frozen milk, good for 6 months, 12 months in deep freeze. Always label milk bags with the date and time to track freshness. Worried about supply dropping while on the go? Try these tips. Stick to a schedule. Pump every 3 to 4 hours to mimic baby's feeding routine. Stay hydrated and eat well. Dehydration can affect milk production. Use breast compressions. Helps fully empty the breast and stimulate supply. If you miss a session, hand express to relieve pressure and keep supply stable. Pumping on the go can be tiring, so don't forget to take care of yourself. Massage before pumping. Improves milk flow and prevents clogged ducts. Wear comfortable clothing. Easy access makes pumping more convenient. Take breaks and relax. Stress can slow let down, so breathe and stay calm. Use a warm compress before pumping for better milk flow. Pumping on the go doesn't have to be stressful. It just takes the right tools and a little preparation. Choose a pump that fits your lifestyle. Pack essential accessories for easy pumping. Store and transport milk safely. Take care of yourself to maintain supply. What's your go-to tip for pumping on the go? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more parenting and breastfeeding tips. And check the description for recommended pumping gear and storage solutions.